Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by defining one clear study goal, what you will learn and for how long, so progress is measurable. Next, enable Do Not Disturb and Theater Mode to eliminate pings that break flow. Once done, install or sync a flashcard app, a focus-compatible timer, and quick note app. This makes the watch the command center. Make sure to pair with your phone and test a 5-minute run. You want immediate haptic feedback and glanceable data before moving on to actual study cycles. You now run consecutive focus cycles using the timer app. Choose 25/5 for shorter bursts or 50/10 for deep work. Tap a complication to launch flashcards or a quick note. This keeps interruptions minimal because the phone stays away. Once a cycle ends, review the summary on the watch and adjust difficulty or next actions. This is why you set measurable goals. Make sure to use haptic alerts to signal transitions, because vibration beats visual checks for preserving momentum and reducing temptation. You finish by syncing all session data to your phone notes, flashcard results, timer logs, so study metrics are preserved and reviewable. Once synced, check progress against your initial goal and update the next session. That feedback loop is why this method scales. If data won't sync or notifications are missing, restart the watch, confirm Bluetooth connection, and install any pending updates. Finally, test a quick cycle again. If haptics or complications still fail, repair the watch to the phone and reassign the complication shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.